Hey guys, welcome back to Tosh Kicks. I got a very special video for you today. Special for two reasons. One, I'm not actually doing any physical unboxing. I'll be doing my unboxing online, which is a crazy experience. I've never actually done this before, so I wanted to go on this journey with me. Also, I've got my missus here with me. As you guys have probably heard her voice on one of the videos, Katrina. And the reason why is I have this new partnership with a company called GemLit, which is gemlit.com. And they do virtual unboxing, and they reach out to me with this new website to say they know that I love unboxing, they know I love giving stuff away, so it kind of works together on their website where you go on the website, you can look around it, there's a bunch of mystery boxes on there doing different things, and you get to open those mystery boxes and ultimately you get to win those stuff in the mystery boxes. Now, like I said, I've never played before, this is my first time. So we're going to figure this out together. They have a variety of mystery boxes there. So if I just scroll down quickly, you can see they've got a bit of an Easter sale going on whilst we're recording this video. So they've got the Apple selection there. They've got Samsung Galaxy, the Apple finds. They've got the Easter eggtravaganza. That's quite a mouthful. They've got the electronics, the iPhone 16 box. And I'll tell you what, there's one particular one I'm looking for, which once you see it, oh, here we go. They got the Jordan Bolt there. They got Ready to Rock. There got quite a few nice ones there. There's a few that should, I think that there's a few that I think Katrina might be interested in. Have you seen any you might like on here?
Oh, you've got your sneaker lovers.
Oh, the sneaker lovers. Yeah, that's a good one. Gold versus wood. That's a bit of a weird one, but we'll see. Dubai adventures for you travelers out there. Philip Plein, if you like designers, got the low cost ones. So as you can see, it's a variety of different mystery boxes that caters to different people, different kind of interests. Obviously we're a sneaker page, so we'll definitely be opening the Jordan box there for sure. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the comments page, so go on there, click on it if you're interested in everything we're doing here. I think it's good fun. I normally have a big box, as you know, unboxing and giving stuff away, but this is a different kind of experience altogether. I've got the Hype Beast. I like the look of that one. So we're going to unbox a few things today and see if we can find anything exciting to see. The good thing about this is not just you don't win the products virtually, it actually gets sent to you. So if you win it, you get the product sent to you in your address, which is exciting, right? So you open a mystery box, obviously top your account up, set up an account, top your account up, over 18s only, and you get to pick a box. And if you win something nice in the box or not nice, they'll send it to you for free as well to your home. So that's quite interesting. So yeah, let's go through some of these boxes quickly and see if we can find anything exciting. Oh, they've got a YouTube box. I wonder what that is. YouTube Superstar. Anyway, so obviously I have my heart set on the Jordan box. Jordan Vault. Right, wish me luck, guys. First ever unboxing on GemLit. Should I go first?
Might be good to let them know the price.
So the Jordan's Vault is $49.99, quite steep, but if you look in the actual box, you can see that's the Travis Scott there. That looks like the Maze there. That's the cool grey, and that's the trophy room ones. So there's quite a few Jordan ones in there that if you pay $49.99, you get lucky. You could make your money back in 2 minutes, right? In terms of the value of the box. So let's have a look. I want to open this now. Let's see how it works. Drum roll. Fast spin.
Oh gosh.
Don't want a fast spin? No, I don't want a fast spin. I'm just going to click on it and let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. There we go. First unboxing ever. Oh my god, what do I get? Oh, I got
an uncommon.
An uncommon. That looks like a Jordan 1 low. Yeah, Jordan 1 like size UK. And I could order that. So essentially, after I spin that, you can see this is what I get to win. So I can either get £117 and play, or I can click on order and it comes to me. So what I'm going to do, what do I do? Do I get 117 back? So essentially they give me the value of the shoe to carry on playing, or if I want that shoe. So for me, I'm not going to lie to you, right? I'm going to scroll down. This are the kind of things you stand to win in this box, right? So you got the Dior's, which is £6,500.
You wouldn't mind them?
I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't even sell that, to be fair. That would just go into one of those boxes behind me. I'll be happy with anything on the top row, some things on the bottom row. So I'm gonna go and play again. I think I'm gonna play again. Right, I'm gonna get my money back. As you can see, my balance has actually gone up. and I'm gonna go again. Should I do a fast spin this time around?
Yeah, do a
Let's
fast
do a
spin.
fast spin. You ready, guys? Let's go. Ooh. Oh my god.
Oh. The laces.
Oh my
You just
god.
switched an uncommon for some laces.
So I've just done £117 to get £4.99. You know what? Whatever. I'm gonna go again. Let's go again. Let's go again. I'm still up, by the way, guys. I'm still up. So last one on this box, and I'm gonna try another box, right? Let's go. Right,
50
guys.
GemLit credits. You don't want that.
You know what? I'm gonna go again. Okay. I think it's time to move on from this box. So there you go. So as you can see, I won a pair of shoes. I kind of got greedy there, chasing the dream, and you know, I kind of lost it, but it is what it is. Let's try again. So I'm gonna go back. I want Katrina to pick a box now. So what would you like to unbox? You have a look. Okay. So guys, as you can see, it's quite easy to do it. Just put some money in. Only amounts you can afford, please, guys. It's a bit of fun. It's a bit of unboxing. It's a bit of a good experience. Everything is 100% authentic, certified. I've got a lot of emails, conversations with this company. Obviously, for me to bring it to yourselves, I need to make sure that it's something that I can put my name to, which I can.
Something that's different.
Pick something that, obviously we do have female subscribers who like trainers as well, but they might like something else more interesting. Look at that Barbie box. My daughter would kill that.
Bags and bling.
Why the hell not? Let's do it. Let's do why. Bags and blings, £52 4p. Don't know what the 4p is for, but that's
right. What can we win though before we go?
So scroll down quickly. You can win a classic Chanel bag, guys. So you're aware, I've been married to Katrina for what, 10 years? She's waiting for this Chanel bag to happen. So I need more subscribers, guys, so I can afford a Chanel bag. You can win this Dior saddle bag, got the Dior bag, Chanel bags, Prada, YSL, some off-whites there. Then when you start going to the normal ones, you can win just a normal tote bag again.
What I don't want is a Radley.
You don't want a Radley?
No.
I don't know why you don't like dogs, but okay.
I don't want a Radley. Bag. Okay.
So I think we might have learned a lesson from this. But if we win, maybe take the fast screen off, because the fast screen was too much for me last time. I lost twice on it.
You're so superstitious.
I know. Let's spin this and see where we go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go for it. Spinning.
Really?
They
saw me coming.
You did.
They saw me coming.
You didn't want a Radley, but you got a Radley, right? So you can get £25.50, or you get a ship for £3. What do you want to do?
I'm taking the £25.50.
You want to take it? Oh wow. Okay, you go again. Spin again.
Okay.
Guys.
Wish me luck.
You can see we're both gamblers, right? We're not having it. We want a big win. We want a big win. What's going to happen here? Ooh.
You are kidding me. They are not playing. Does it call them up?
She just missed a rare bag, boy. Guys, you guys are going to get me. My wife will chop me out in a minute. So what do we do?
No, that's to
get shipped for £3.
No, who wants that?
Let's add it back again. Right, have another spin. Let's have another spin and go.
Last one.
Yeah, let's have another spin and go.
It goes back to, I feel like they've got me on wrap.
They got you with a Radley bag because you jinxed it yourself. Ooh. No, oh my god. She's getting this Quenchy London soft leather bag. It's 50 quid, but you get 50 quid back. Yeah, 50 quid. Yeah, another 50, man. Let's go again.
Oh god.
We might get a win.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go for it. She's playing to the Gemlit gods. Oh, I don't know what that sound means. That's a good look.
Oh, mate.
Oh, she just about me starting to jack.
Really?
Tote bag. Tote bag is decent. Let's get that shipped to you for £3. Let's have a look at the Easter one. It's quite a good price. They got some bunnies in there. So, you can win a Rolex, a Louis Vuitton. So this is the funny thing, guys. If I win this, I'll keep this. If I win this, my wife keeps this. It's just what it is. Apple Vision is quite cool. You get flight gifts, a couple of MacBook Pros. Yeah, I do have a MacBook, but I'll take another one, obviously. I think I'm going to go first, and then Katrina can go second, and let's see what we can do with this. There we go. Oh my god.
Why do you get the eggs?
All right. Okay. Do you want to put it back in?
Put it back in.
Let's put it back in. It's pretty much the same thing we'll pay for the bottle. You go next.
Also, those eggs are £1 in the pound shop.
Yeah, these are special eggs, there, guys. Yeah, special eggs from GemLit.
Oh, really?
What is that?
I've got 2 legendaries either side.
No, just get a £5 and play again.
Yeah.
Let's go again.
Wow.
Okay, so we're not going to do that. So you can see, even though I've not claimed it because I don't want to put my address in on live, I can go back and claim it now, right? It's not a problem.
That's good.
So you can go back to it. It's not a problem. Then go back to, I'll just take you through the website quickly before we play some more games. You've got mystery boxes there, which is everything you've seen. Then you got how it works, which talks you through how you do. So you got register, you must be 18 because in a way it's a form of gambling because you're putting money in to get something better out. So you could lose your money. In terms of your account credits, then you open your mystery box and you receive your favorite products, right? Everything comes with even more instructions, like pictures. So this is literally, I think my mom can do this, your mom can do this, my dad can do this. It's just what it is. It's quite simple, quite straightforward. Then you got the reviews here. You can see what people have won stuff. So I think this lady used 45 euros and she won a Rolex. This guy here won an iMac green screen. So you can see people are actually winning stuff. Like I said, it's genuine, it's real. There's more reviews there if you want to see it. And then you got some free mystery boxes as well. I've never really used that, but I guess as you can see, every time I play, they was offering me points, and the more points you have, so I can get a free mystery box of the black opal, emerald, ruby. So this is where I am now. If I keep playing, I'll probably get to the blue diamond. And you never know what you could win, right? So
if you use the search engine, put something in like sneakers and see if it comes up.
Sneakers, there we go. Sneakers. There we go. So I've got 4 boxes. We've done this.
Passion for fashion.
We're going for sneaker lovers, mate.
Okay.
We're going for sneaker lovers. You know I'm a sneaker lover. If you say sneaker addiction, I'll probably be there as well. Oh my God, all you can see is this heat. Apart from maybe that one there, that little spizzazz there. It's a bit dodgy.
Right,
but
what's top?
The top one, you know what, I'm gonna put the show chances here because I think it's a good thing to have, right? So you know, so the smallest chance of winning is the Christian Dior one. So understandably, I get it. Then you got the Adidas Pharrell NERDs. This is a rare one. There's a Chanel version of this as well. This is the rare one. Then you got the, obviously we talked about the Off-Whites. Got the Legend Blue Adapts. This is one of the 10s. You got that one. Maybe. I want to go first. Let's go. Stop. Ooh, I've got an uncommon one actually. Okay. So it's offering £55 to keep playing. Okay, so I am a bit of a snob when it comes to brands, especially shoe brands. Superga is not one shoe I would wear. I could give it away to one of you guys. Obviously, as you know, I like to do giveaways, but for the purpose of this video, I want to put it back in and get Katrina to spin and see how we get on.
Just so you know, you can't blame me.
Oh, you're getting blamed if I didn't get the Off-Whites, mate.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
No. I feel like I'm not.
You gave me too many laces.
A good reward.
Alright, so let's leave this for now. We might come back to the laces. Let's try another sneaker box there. So which one did you say? Hype Beast. I'm not gonna open the £300 box. No.
I know.
Then we'll use the Hype Beast.
Okay, what's in here?
Oh, so there we go. So they got the Louis Vuitton Supreme. Ooh.
Nice. That's legendary.
Legendary. Like if I win this, I guarantee you I'll break dance. Maybe like the lady in Australia, you know, the one I went to the Olympics, I couldn't dance. You might see a version of that on this channel, boy. They got Louis Vuitton. Every time I've been going first. I think you should go first this time around. Maybe our luck will change.
Please, Louis Vuitton bag.
Oh, God.
It's just a small ask. It's a small ask. I thought he was going to give you the Crocs then. I was going to cry.
You know, if it was the Crocs, I would definitely be ordering that one. 100%.
Right.
I'm going to go now.
Good luck.
Thank you. What are we going to do? Guys, what's going on, man? Give us something good. We've been playing all night. No way. Right. So, as you can see, guys, it's so easy to play. It's a lot of fun. I'm doing it with my missus on a Sunday night. We're having a bit of fun doing that. So, if you like this, check a link on the bottom there in the description. Go to GemLit, use my code, and yeah, it should be good fun. Let me know if you win anything great. Send to me on my Instagram at Tosh Kicks, because obviously you can't send pictures on YouTube. Or drop me a message here. Let me know you've won something great. And yeah, let's have some fun together. And then I'll see you soon. Enjoy it. Please enjoy it responsibly. Obviously, it's real money you're playing with, so you just never know what will happen. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Have fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.
Good luck.